Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling the phone's AI foundations so features respond correctly. First, confirm Android 13 or newer and install updates. This ensures model compatibility. Next, sign into your Google account and enable backup and sync so preferences and models persist. Once done, go to Settings, tap Google, then Personalization and AI features. Toggle on Suggestions, Live Translate, and Recorder AI. This gets your Pixel 7 Pro ready to use on-device models and cloud-assisted AI for the next steps. Now you'll use the core AI tools that daily tasks rely on. Call the assistant by holding the power button or saying, "Hey Google." Use it for summaries, actions, and device control. Open Recorder to capture audio, get real-time transcripts, and use search and speaker labels. Make sure transcription language is set first. For communication, enable Live Translate in Messages and Camera to translate text and conversations instantly. Make sure to grant mic and camera permissions, because those are required for on-device processing. Finish by tuning settings and knowing how to recover when things fail. Adjust adaptive battery and app restrictions to balance performance for heavy AI tasks. This prevents background throttling. Review app permissions, microphone, camera, files, so AI functions access needed data. If an AI feature misbehaves, reboot the phone, update Google Apps and system software, and clear the affected app's cache. This often resolves model loading errors. If problems persist, disable and re-enable the specific AI toggle in Settings to force a fresh.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.